during that interview session?
Yes, for the direct tax, if you come as an authority, recognized one, we'll ask we've already mentioned about the Registrar General's documentation. We'll ask still of your name, your address, the type of business activity, if it's manufacturing, wholesaling, if you have branches, if you have warehouses, we are interested in all of this. Then we'll also request from you the name of your auditor, the Ghana Unique Identification Number of the auditor. Then we'll also request for GPS, which will give us the exact location of your business. Then when you come, we are interested in, for the limited liability companies, it's mandatory to request for their banks, whether you have a branch account, all of this, the name of your bank, you ask. And then if you have employees, we may want to ask, how many employees do you have? If you don't have employees, that is when you are an individual taxpayer, self-employed. Then we may assume you, the director, you are an employee, and therefore you have to pay the PAYE. But if you explain that you are not being paid from that particular entity, then we'll probe you to find out whether you are working or earning income elsewhere, and you have been paying your tax, and that one will not mount pressure on you. But for the limited liability companies, we need your bank details, we need your auditors, the name of the auditing firm, their location, the number, your capital. We may want to find out what is the source of your capital. Is it savings? Is it loan? Is it support from family or friends? We may want to know your assets. Coming to register for the first time, we may want to know the type of asset that you have. And then we may also want to know where you get the supply of your good or your service. If you purchase from a source, we want to know all of these questions.
Does it also apply for people who are doing online business? Because trust me, there are a lot of people who are doing a